SUUNTO Run. How to turn on phone notifications. Android guide. Step 1. Update everything. Install the latest version of the SUUNTO app and update your SUUNTO Run watch firmware. Step 2. Pair your watch. Open the app, add your SUUNTO Run, and complete the sync. When prompted, tap Allow for all notification permissions. Step 3. Turn on notifications in the app. In the SUUNTO app, watch icon notifications on watch. Grant permission for notification access and any other required toggles. Step 4. Select the apps you want inside notifications on watch. Go to Applications and turn on the apps from which you want alerts, like calls, SMS, WhatsApp. Step 5. Enable notifications on the watch on your SUUNTO Run. Swipe up notifications. Toggle on. Step 6. Check a test notification, send yourself a message, or have someone call you to confirm it appears on your watch. It should pop up and stay in the notification center until you press the crown to dismiss.